At DriveZ, our mission is to enable people to share their bikes or cars so that moving around in a city like Bangalore, Mumbai is pretty easy.
At DriveZ, we particularly strive for three major things: speed, growth, and perfection. We are a startup, we are a growing company. Everything that we do has to be done very fast. So the entire concept of communication has to be stronger among 150 plus employees that we have in the company. So Flock's changing the way employees in the companies communicate.
It's an operation-driven company. We have a lot of work that requires a lot of attention and cross-team communication. One particular instance where Flock has helped us a lot was with a product that we have to launch that included 4 cross-functional teams that has to collaborate together. Using Flock, we created a team where everyone can share their idea, their progress. There was a lot of files coming from design team, so we used Google Drive integration through that, and it was such easy to use that I don't have to just go and log into my Google Drive. I just can open the file right there on my chat and give the feedback about that.
As a customer care department, we have 3 different shifts in a day: morning shift, afternoon and night. So what day-to-day activities happens in a day has to be updated to the next shift, so which is all put in updated in the Flock. The next shift person just sees the update on it, immediately works on it and get the issues resolved. The whole team is aware what's happening in the day.
Just a couple of months back, we've rebranded ourselves from Just Ride to DriveZ, and it was a very daunting task. There are a lot of things involved. So there was a lot of coordination that was required between a lot of teams, especially the design team had to coordinate between a lot of different stakeholders just to make sure everything was smooth. We managed to collect feedback on the website landing page from close to 140 people via the Flock polling feature, which was nice. It was very easy for us to keep a track of all the basic to-do lists that we created for our developers, just so that they don't lose a track of what they had to work on.
Since mine is mostly a space which is driven by planning and execution of ideas, to-do list feature is like a huge savior, especially for someone who's really forgetful like me. We also have a channel for knowledge sharing, so which basically allows us to sort of keep track of things that are happening in the social media and content marketing space.
Flock's changed the way, and more people, from communicating on WhatsApp, bringing the entire enterprise communication on the enterprise platform. So it adds on to what we want to achieve. It provides speed. It helps in making the work faster.